Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how to turn on or turn off blue light filter on your XIAOMI 15T. On your XIAOMI 15T phone, the blue light filter feature is typically called read-in mode or sometimes also eye comfort. So let's go to settings and you want to enter section with display and brightness. And then if you scroll a little bit down, you can see here section read-in mode. And in order to turn it on, you have to turn this switcher on. And if you do not want to have this read-in mode on, you have to logically move the slider to the left so that it was disabled. And also when enabled, you can set different types of those read-in modes. Those are cycle and also classic. And if you select classic, you can also customize the color temperature, the texture, also some colors, so you can customize that. And also you can schedule your read-in mode. So here you can customize the schedule of that mode. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.